Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
I'm so happy to see you again, Anyan.
Yeah,
So how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, so teacher was not able to teach you for 2 classes, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, because teacher has not don't have an electricity and water and internet for 5 days.
yeah,
Because of the strong typhoon that came in the Philippines. Okay, so right now our electricity is back. So teacher is also back. Okay, so how about you, Anyan? How's your country?
yeah, okay.
It's okay. So you do not have rain tonight or on the other day?
Yeah,
Okay, so how about your school, Anyan? How was your school?
mm, it rained all day.
It's how was your school?
Mm,
What did you do in school, Anyan?
I I read the book.
Okay, you read a book.
Yeah,
Okay, so, okay, that's nice, Anyan. So let's begin our lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin.
yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so the first activity will be speaking activity. Okay, so in this one, Anyan, you have to answer in a complete sentence, okay? So, find the difference between the two pictures, Anyan.
Yeah,
And then you explain your answers, okay?
yeah.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you explain your answers now, Anya? Okay, the
Mm,
first one, what is the first one?
picture one. The monkey have a bananas.
Mm-hmm.
Banana. Picture two. Monkey have a bowl.
A ball, okay.
Picture one. Hmm. The woman have a short bag.
Again, short.
Short bag.
Okay, short bag.
Picture two. Woman have a long bag.
A long bag, okay, and then
Picture one. Man.
the woman.
The man had a bread.
What's that?
The man have a bread.
Okay, have a beard. And then what else?
Picture two. The man don't have a beard.
Okay, and then what else?
Picture one. The woman buy orange.
Okay, buy orange, and then
Picture two. The woman buy
what's that?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's see if you got the correct answers, okay, Anya? So here, suggest. Number one answer, the woman is carrying a small bag, but the other woman is carrying a big bag, okay? You said that, right?
Yeah.
You're correct. Next one, there is a scarf or a hat on her head, and then the woman is buying oranges while the other one is buying apple. Next, the man with a beard and without a beard. Next, monkey is eating a banana and the other one is playing with a ball. Okay. So now, Anya, let's answer. Let's talk about what you do after school. Question number one. What games do you play after school, Anya?
I play jump rope.
Jump rope. Okay, what else?
I play badminton.
Badminton. And then?
And I read the book.
Okay, so where do you play badminton, Anya?
I play at school.
At school. So you play at school?
Yeah.
Okay, so after, what time do you play, Anya? After your class or during your break time?
I read the book.
Okay, so who do you play with, Anya?
I play with my best friend.
Your best friend. So what's the name of your best friend?
Her name is Huai.
Again?
Huai.
Huai Ein.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So how old is she?
She 10 years old too.
Okay, so you're just the same age, right? You're both 10 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next one, Anyan. What do you like watching on television?
I like cartoon.
Again.
I like watching cartoon.
You like watching cartoons. So what specific cartoon is that, Anyan? What movie or cartoon is that?
It's Cocomelon.
Cocomelon. Okay,
Yeah.
you like watching Cocomelon?
Yeah.
Why is that? Is that a famous cartoons?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Very good. Next one, Anyan. What time do you go to bed?
And 9:30.
9:30. Okay, and then, what time do you sleep?
And 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay. So you go to bed at 9:30 and then you sleep by 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, now, Anyan, can you tell me something about your house?
And
Tell me something about your house. What is the color of your house, Anyan?
is blue.
Oh, it's blue. So how about how many rooms does your house have?
Is 6 room.
6 rooms. Okay, that's nice. Do you have your own bedroom, Anyan?
Yeah.
What is the color of your bedroom?
It's green.
It's color green. Okay, and
It's
then
green, yellow, and blue.
green, yellow, and blue. Okay, and then Anyan, what do you call this one? What is your favorite place in your house?
Mm, I
What is
don't
your
know.
favorite room in your house? Is it the living room?
I like my bedroom.
Your bedroom? You like your bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you say so, Anyan? Why do you like your bedroom?
Because it's beautiful.
Because it's beautiful. Okay. And then what do you do in your bedroom, Anyan?
I study. I sleep.
You study and sleep. Okay, that's nice. So who do you sleep with, Anyan? Do you sleep alone in your bedroom?
I sleep with my baby sister.
Okay. You sleep with your baby sister. So you sleep
Yeah.
together, just the two of you.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now, Anyan, look at the pictures here. These are the things that people do after school, okay? So these are only examples. Can you read what's on the screen, Anyan?
Go swimming.
Mm-hmm.
Watching TV, playing football.
Okay, next. Okay, so now let's talk about watching TV, okay? Now, Anyan, what kind of movie do you watch?
Hmm.
Usually, what kind of movies do you watch?
I can many people.
Many.
People.
Okay, and then, do you like watching superhero movies? Do you like watching cartoons or what? What do you like watching?
I like watching cartoon.
You like watching cartoons, okay. So how long do you watch TV, Anya?
Hmm. I
How
watch
long?
um
Do you watch for 30 minutes, for 1 hour?
In 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. So who do you watch with, Anya? Do you watch with your baby sister?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Next one, Anya, let's talk about this one. Playing football. So do you know how to play football, Anya?
No.
No. So how about, have you ever tried playing a football?
Yeah.
Okay, do you like it or not?
No.
Why? Why don't you like it?
Because I don't know.
Why? Okay, maybe you're not interested with playing football. Okay, because mostly or
Yeah.
usually boys are the ones who play this one. Okay, so now Anya, look at the picture. You can see 4 different pictures on the screen, right? Okay, so Anya, you have to make a story about the 4 pictures that you can see. Okay, so let's start with the first picture, Anya. What can you say about it?
One day, Tom and Mary see a cat.
Mm-hmm.
See a cat on a roof.
Okay,
And then Tom ran in the tree
mm-hmm.
and have cat.
Okay, and help the cat.
And
Okay, next one. Picture number 3, what did they do?
the cat playing with um, the cat playing with ball.
Okay, the cat is playing with a ball. And then how about picture number 4? What can you say?
And Tom and Mary see a stand.
Okay, so Tom and Mary.
See a stand.
Again, Anian, what is that?
Stand.
Stand.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened to the cat?
The cat the cat
Oh, what happened? What happened to the cat?
climb
Climb? Where? Where does the cat climb?
the stand.
Okay, in the stairs. Okay, very good. So here are some suggested answers for the story, okay? The cat is on top of the house. It isn't very happy. Mary and Peter are looking at the cat. Okay. So now, Anya, look at the picture. Now, Anya, which picture is different in number 1 line?
Yeah.
Which one is different there? In number 1, lemon, pineapple, book, or orange?
Eat book.
Okay, book. Why do you say that book is different?
Because book because book is putting lemon, pineapple, orange, Fruits.
Okay. How about number 2? Robot, shoes, football, or doll?
Fruit.
Shoes. Okay. Why do you think shoes is the answer?
Robot or and doll is toy.
Okay, very good. Because robot, ball, and doll is a toy. How about picture number 3, Anyan?
Mm. Picture 3. And picture 4. Picture 4.
Okay, why do you say so?
Because
Because
mm, and picture 4 in morning, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3 is evening.
okay, very good. How about picture number 4, Anya? Which one is different?
A picture 1.
Picture 1, okay. Why picture number 1?
Third, they study in the class. Picture
Mm-hmm.
2, 2 picture 3, picture 4, they play on the beach.
Okay, because picture 1, they are studying, while picture 2, 3, and 4, they are playing on the beach. Okay, very good, Anya. All right, so we are finished on the first part of the lesson. Okay, wait for me. I will open the second one. Okay. Okay, so our second lesson is unit about outdoor activities. Okay, so what do you mean by outdoor activities, Anya? What do you mean by outdoor activities?
Um,
What do you mean by outdoor activities? Okay, so outdoor activities, these are the activities that we do outside, okay? Like on the picture. Like on the picture, the kids are playing outside the classroom. Okay, but before that, let's answer activity number 1 on the school ground. Okay, so now, Anyan, you have to choose if your answer is, you have to choose your answer between the two choices, okay? So can you read it first, Anyan?
Is it playtime at school? My class is playing catball today. Is it a fun game?
Okay.
Dan is a pitcher. Is he
He is,
rolling?
again, he is
Rolling.
rolling, correct?
Rolling. The ball.
Mm-hmm.
Treble is a cutter.
Kicker,
kicker.
Okay.
He's kicking the ball.
Continue.
The ball is flying. I am running and catching the ball.
Okay, very good. A, rolling is and running is correct. Okay, very good. So you got 4 points here. Okay, next one, Anian. Answer true or false. Number 1, kickball is a game. True or false?
True.
True. Number 2, Finn likes playing kickball. True or false?
No.
False. Okay. Dan is throwing the ball.
Oh.
False. Okay. So now, Anian, look at the picture. Let's have word practice. So what do you think is the game in picture number 1? What are they doing?
Picture 1, they play hide and seek.
All right, hide and seek. That's correct. Okay, how about number 2?
Picture 2, they play jump rope.
Yes, they are playing jump rope. You know how to play that, Anian?
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you play jump rope?
I play at home.
At home.
Yeah.
Okay, so who do you play with? Who holds the rope?
I play with my sister.
Oh, okay, you play with your sister. Okay,
and
next
my
one. And your mommy. Okay, next one, Anian. What do you think is the game in number 1?
I don't know.
How about number 2?
It's badminton.
It's?
Badminton.
Okay, it's badminton. Let's see. So the game in number 1 is playing tag. Okay?
Yeah.
And the number 2 is badminton. Okay, next one, Anian. What do you think is on the picture number 1?
Picture number 1 is catching ball.
Okay. How about number 2?
Oh. Number 2, I don't know.
How about number 3? What's that?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's see. Number 1 is chase. Number 2 is close. Yeah. Number 3 is count. And number 4 is hit. Okay, next one, Anian. All right, so can you read the words, please?
Hold. Jump. Try. Throw.
Turn.
Turn.
Okay, very good. All right, so now, Anian, you have to choose and write the word and discuss your choices. Okay, so here, Anian, you can see some blanks. In each number, okay, you have to choose your answers from the red words on top of the picture, okay? So let's try answering number 1. Okay, read and answer, Anian. Number 1, they are
playing tag.
Okay.
Annie is it. She is.
She is.
She is. Chelsea
Chasing.
Chasing everyone. She is
What? She is blank to catch them.
holding.
Again.
She is holding.
She is trying to catch them. Okay, number 2, Anyan.
They are playing hide and seek.
Okay, they are playing hide and seek.
John is closing his eyes.
He is closing his eyes. Next.
He is counting to 20.
Okay, he is counting to 20. Very good, Anya. Number 3.
They are playing badminton.
All right. Next.
They are
They are
holding
a rocket. Okay, next one, Anyan.
they are turning.
Again, they are.
Turning.
Okay, the answer is hitting. They are hitting a shuttlecock. Okay, number 4, Anyan.
They are jumping rope.
Okay, they are playing jumping rope. Next.
Two girls are turning the rope. A boy is jumping the rope.
The boy is jumping a rope. Okay, very good, Anyan. So now, look at this one. It's word practice. Choose and complete the sentence. Discuss your choices. Okay, you can choose your answer from the red words on top. All right. So number 1, Anyan, read an answer.
Strawberry have small seeds outside.
Next.
Grapes are small and over their feet.
Again. Grapes are small and
Over
and round. They are
feet.
They are purple. Okay, number 3.
Orange round.
Oranges are round. Next.
They
taste
sour.
They taste sour or sweet. Okay, number 4, Anyan.
The banana is long and yellow. It's sweet.
Okay, number 5.
A lemon tastes sour. It
is
fuzzy.
It is oval. Okay, next one.
A peach field.
Oh, what's that? A peach feel. So what does a peach feel when you touch it?
Fuzzy.
Okay, fuzzy outside. Next, it tastes.
Sweet.
It tastes sweet. Okay. All right. So now, Annie, you have two. All right, let's skip this one. Okay, so now, Annie, let's practice this activity. Circle the correct word. Okay, number one, read and choose your answer, Annie.
And is then
What?
Dan does his homework now.
Dan does his homework now. Okay, that's wrong. The correct answer is doing. Number two.
We are playing kickball. We are playing kickball.
We are playing kickball. Okay, number three.
There are many children on the playground.
There are many children in the playground. Okay, next.
My mom and my dad are walking in the park now.
Are walking in the park now. Okay, number five.
We are eating dinner now.
We are eating dinner now. Good job, Annie. That's correct. Okay, so here. So you have to rearrange the words, Annie, so that we can form a correct sentence. Okay? So number one, they, the rope, turning are. What do you think is the correct sentence for that?
They are turning the rope.
Very good. They are turning the rope. Next, are we soccer playing?
We are playing soccer.
We are playing soccer. Number three, Ken the catching his ball.
Ken is catching the ball.
Ken is catching the ball. Good job. Okay, let's skip this one because this is quite hard. All right.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, I had fun today. I had fun today.
Okay. So, Anya, that ends our lesson for tonight. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Anya, and see you again on Wednesday night.
Yeah.
Good night. Good night, Anya. Sleep well.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.